difference between this version and the 1080p. So let's get ahead and open the box. So you can see basically initially on the box, the 1080p drone sports the color orange while the 4K sports the color gold. So that's the basic observation. So let's open the box and see. Okay, so taking a look inside, it's pretty similar to that of the 1080p version, only it's not orange, it's called the color gold. Okay, okay, so let's take this off. Okay, so something different is that last time the 1080p, the camera was on a separate box. This time it's included inside the mid-drone box. Okay, so looks like Star Wars to me. Okay, the remote is pretty the same as that of the 1080p. Nothing particularly new in this. Got the manual here, and most probably it's the charger inside this box. No, it's the protector as well as this one. Most probably is the charger. Okay, this is the battery pack as well as the charging cable. Okay, so stay tuned as we take this plane for a ride in our next tutorial. Okay, so this is Mitch 002